Trader, we have CrowdStrike. We all know what CrowdStrike did. They destroyed the world. How did they destroy the world? Because their security software had a glitch and it sucks. There are other great cybersecurity firms out here. Palo Alto Networks is one. Cybersecurity is another one. This one, they are why the stock even made $1 to go up. Even 1 cent is beyond me, let alone that it rallied off of that bottom of $201 to the high up here of 278. And I'm telling you, it's down 15, and I can see where it's going. It's coming right about here. The stock is not on sale until they can prove that they can fix all of the damages that they caused this world. This stock needs to go down another $50. I am dead serious. They destroyed the world. Their software destroyed the world. The way they run the company destroyed the world. And now they're destroying themselves. They just reported quarterly earnings and they guided down, as they should. They're not making money. We have been short. I mean, listen, we were shorting it up at our favorite area of around 380. It's on the website. And once again, I see more downside coming. Stay out of the name. Don't get involved. Don't buy the dip. Stay away.